Hi everybody, today I'm going to show you how to unlock the network of your iPhone. This will work for any iPhone, including the iPhone 14, 15, 16 or any other. I will show you how in just a few simple steps. Before we start, welcome on board if you are new to the channel. We are getting closer to our goal of 2 million subscribers, so thanks all for your amazing support. Let's dive in. The network unlock is also known as a carrier or the SIM card unlock. This will allow you to use your phone with any carrier, any network, or any eSIM across the globe. It might be necessary if you want to switch providers or if you want to use a different SIM card while traveling. Now, there are a few different ways in which you can do a network unlock. The first option is to take it to a phone shop, but the downside is that you will be handing over your iPhone with all your personal information to somebody else, and this can be risky and insecure. Secondly, you could also contact your carrier, but in most cases they are unwilling to unlock your device and they try to make you use their services forever. That's why I recommend using a professional online unlocking service, as the one we will be using today, which is secure, reliable, easy to use, but most importantly, 100% legal and safe for your phone. So here's how it works. Start by finding your IMEI number required for this unlock. To find it, go to the dial pad and dial *#06#. The 15-digit IMEI number will appear in the screen of your device. You can find this number as well in the settings of your iPhone, or if you eject the SIM card tray, you will see a small little number, and that's the IMEI number. Once you have the IMEI number, go to unlockriver.com. Here we will use the carrier unlock service. Select the original carrier that the phone is locked to. If you don't know the carrier, you can use the same website to run a full IMEI check and report on your phone, which includes all the information about the carrier, the model, the warranty, and the unlock status. Next, choose your phone's brand and model. Then enter the IMEI number. Be sure to enter the email correctly, as you will receive there the unlock confirmation. Processing times may vary from 1 to 15 business days, so it depends on your carrier and on your iPhone model. On the following screen, review all the information and proceed to place your order. After placing your order, you will receive 2 emails. The first email is confirming your order, and you will receive the second email after the unlock has been successfully completed. The second email should look something like this. It confirms that the iPhone has been successfully unlocked, and now we simply need to activate the unlock by connecting it to Wi-Fi. So let's do the final step. So the first step is to turn off the iPhone. Insert a new SIM card, or simply install any eSIM through the settings of your iPhone later. Turn on the iPhone, and that's it. Your iPhone now works with the new carrier and is compatible worldwide. You can install any SIM card, any eSIM, and your iPhone will be permanently unlocked. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and let me know if you have any questions in the comment section down below. Thank you so much, and I'll see you in the next one. Take care.